Welcome back. Subscribe to this channel for more useful videos.
Filtration assembly. Filtration assembly is used in some testing methods like bioburden of products and sterility testing of sterile products. There are different assemblies available in the market. Like with 1-chamber, 2-chamber etc. we use membrane filtration paper. Vacuum pump and flask must be purchased with the filtration assembly chamber. Vacuum pump and flask must be purchased with the filtration assembly chamber. Vacuum pump gives the air and supports the solution during filtration. Air sampler. In active monitoring, a microbial air sampler is used to force air into, or onto its collection medium, for example, petri dish with nutrient agar-based test media, over a specified period of time. A variety of different sampling devices are currently available to acquire air samples of microbial and viral particles. These technologies include filters, impinners, impactors, and wet or dry cyclones. pH meter. A pH meter is a scientific instrument that measures the hydrogen ion activity in water-based solutions, indicating its acidity or basicity expressed as pH. For rapid detection of pH, either liquid media or any buffer, we can check by pH strips, but maybe it is not validated. Magnetic stirrer. A magnetic stirrer is a laboratory device consisting of either a rotating magnet or stationary electromagnets creating a rotating magnetic field. A magnetic stirrer often includes a provision for heating the liquid. Stirrers are often used in laboratories, especially in the field of biology and microbiology. Some are hot plate stirrer and some are magnetic stirrer. If the solution have sediments and we want to dissolve those in liquid, so we may use stirrer. Hygrometer or thermometer. Hygrometer or thermometer are also important for microbiology lab to check the temperature and humidity. A hygrometer is an instrument used to measure the amount of water vapor in air, in soil, or in confined spaces. Humidity measurement instruments usually rely on measurements of some other quantities such as temperature, pressure, mass, a mechanical or electrical change in a substance as moisture is absorbed. Shakers or orbital shakers. A shaker is a piece of laboratory equipment used to mix, blend, or agitate substances in a tube or flask by shaking them. It is mainly used in the fields of chemistry and biology. A shaker contains an oscillating board that is used to place the flasks, beakers, or test tubes. Personal computer. Personal computer or PC is also important to maintaining lab work and store important databases. The reports must be generated in a proper way, so for that purpose computer is necessary for lab.
Thank you for watching our collection of micro equipment. There are others too, but these equipment are necessary for pharmaceutical microbiology labs. Subscribe and click on the bell icon. Goodbye.